I'll see you soon. I broke it. Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make some simple Hanukkah DIY decorations because as you can see it's Hanukkah and I'm very lucky. I celebrate Hanukkah and Christmas, but my decorations are much more Christmas heavy because that's just like what's more available in the world. So I wanted to make some stuff to kind of balance it out and represent both of my, backgrounds. So I'm going to show you how to make two really simple, really cute Hanukkah decoration DIYs.
Alright, so to start off this project, we're making a simple Star of David hanging ornament, or you don't have to hang it on a tree, you could hang it on a wall or your refrigerator. I don't know, I'm not the ornament police. But basically I wanted to make two, so I counted out 6 popsicle sticks, painted one silver and then the other one gold, and then I painted the back sides as well once I let them dry. And then I had this idea of putting like every other one over, how do you say that, like over, under, because I thought that it would make it easier to glue them together. Honestly, didn't really help. Didn't probably need to do that, but yeah, so basically I used my hot glue gun. It's like a Gorilla Glue gun, very cool, and glued them together. They don't sit very well, but it works. And then I took some twine and just tied it to the end and made a little loop. And you could also hot glue the string to the popsicle sticks if you really wanted to get crazy. For this craft, I wanted to make a 3D garland with the Star of David. I guess this should be like Star of David crafts. But basically, I had these cool pieces of paper that I wanted to use, but the back sides were very plain. So I used some kind of, I don't even know what it is. They're like postcard size pieces of colored paper. And so I glued either the gold wrapping paper to the back or the colorful paper, and I didn't glue it. It's like a little double stick tape situation, which was very handy. And so then I cut off all the excess little bits and, just made it so cute. Snip, snip, snippity snip, boom. I also realized it is very hard to make an equilateral triangle without a stencil, which is what I tried to do. I tried like multiple times to make a cute, even Star of David, and it was not successful. But basically, I made a janky little template and was able to fit 2 Star of Davids on each of the kind of postcard papers. And then I really tried hard to arrange them together. Really tricky to find the right order, a little challenge for the brain. But then what I did was I cut right down to the middle part of each star. I did one with gold, one without. And then what you do is you put them together, like with the slits. So you can see I'm kind of just putting them right together, and it makes a little 3D Star of David. So cute, right? So yeah, basically I had enough to make 8 stars, and I realized if you put them all together and then you cut them in a chunk, it goes faster, because I'm not gonna lie, it took me 400 million hours to cut all of these stars. And then I did a little hole punch. I only have a heart-shaped hole punch, I don't know why. And then I just strung them on this little bit of twine. And then you have to kind of fluff them out a little bit, but I think they looked pretty cute.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like it, share it with your mom, share it with your aunt, share it with your friend, your brother, your cousin, anyone who might want to make some very simple DIYs. Yeah. If you make any of them, make sure you tag me on Instagram, comment below if you tried it, do all the things, and I will see you soon. I broke it. It's fine. You know what? Life happens. On that note, I'll see you guys next video.
Oh my god, look, okay, I fixed it. It's fine. Everything's fine. Okay. Bye.